as you probably can tell, I don't really vlog, so let's just go for it. So I took a chance on an eBay listing which had 4 untested GPUs, and they've just come. And here they are. I don't know which GPUs we have specifically, but we've got a GTX 1060 6GB, which, to be honest, I'm pretty convinced won't work because I saw a capacitor on the back or a resistor, something like that. That looked pretty busted. I think this is a R7270X. Should say somewhere on the board. It's an R7270 something, I think. This is, I believe, a HD 7770, which I believe is a 1GB graphics card, but these graphics cards actually do look pretty good. I do like the look of these. And that, I don't know what that is, but I just know it's from like 2005. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get them stuck into the test bench system and just see if we get any display out. So first GPU we have in is the GTX 1060 6GB. I think it's an MSI Armor. So let's just power the system on. So the system powers on, which is always a good sign. If we move to HDMI 1, will we get a display out? Not looking likely. No, that's not good. Let's see what the LED is saying. I think that is a VGA light, which is not good. So that is a bit frustrating, if I'm honest. The 1060 just doesn't want to post at all, but maybe there is some bringing it back with a bit of micro soldering, perhaps, something like that. However, now I'm going to try out, I think it's the R7270X, something like that. I'm not expecting the other two to work straight out of the box because they are legacy GPUs, and this motherboard is actually on a UEFI mode right now, so I'm not expecting the 7700 to work, or that red one from like 2005. Right, the next card up is actually, it's an R9 270X, and it actually requires 2 6-pins, so it's a bit power hungry. So if we just, let's see if it actually gives a display out, which it's given enough VGA light. Brilliant. The other thing I could do is try in the bottom PCIe slot, but to be honest, I don't think that's really going to make a difference. So we're 2 down at the minute and only 1 other reasonable GPU to go, so yeah, it's not looking good. Next card up is the 7770, I think it is. Yeah, that's what it is, and I don't think this one will work, to be honest, because it's more of a legacy GPU, and I believe it doesn't have a UEFI BIOS, so it probably won't work as is right now, but let's just give it a go. I don't know if you can see that, but that is another VGA light, which is not great. So maybe I could probably bring these GPUs back if I give them a good clean, maybe try to repair them myself. However, I think some of them are just dead. I'm not sure if they can actually be brought back. I will take them apart, see if there's any like capacitors which have come loose, anything like that, and might try to get into some micro soldering. I don't have experience with that. However, it is pretty frustrating. I'm literally just sitting on the floor here, because I'm pretty defeated and disappointed at this point, but this is what you get when you buy untested. Untested doesn't always mean untested. Sometimes some eBay sellers might be a bit shifty. However, it's still listed as parts not working, so there is literally nothing I can do about it. And to be honest, I'm not all that defeated. I can get a bit more content out of these, I think, so yeah, and who knows, I might be able to bring one back. If I can bring at least one back, I will be happy, especially if it's this 1060 6GB, because that will be a really good find if I manage to bring this back. So yeah, so if you like this video, like it, stay subscribed, because I will be making a follow-up video of me trying to repair these GPUs. I just don't really have the tools or the time required right now. So if you like this video, like it, stay subscribed for more content, and I'll catch you in the next one.